Yo, what is good, squad? And welcome back to Shift 100, the one and only stop for your high-octane fix. Alright, let's play a game. When I say legendary off-roader, what's the first image that hits your brain? If it's a rugged, boxy beast drenched in an iconic sandy yellow paint, absolutely dominating insane terrain from the Amazon to the Australian outback, then you, my friend, are a person of culture. You're thinking of the Camel Trophy defenders, the undisputed kings of adventure. That legacy, that raw, untamed spirit. It's been dormant for a while, but Land Rover just dug into its archives, pulled out the old recipe for greatness, and is serving up something seriously special for 2026. Get ready for the Defender 110 Trophy Edition. This isn't just a truck, it's a time machine with all-wheel drive. The first thing that smacks you right in the face is the color. They're bringing back that legendary deep sand glow yellow, and it is pure, unfiltered nostalgia. It's the color of epic journeys and impossible challenges. Now, for some reason, they're also offering it in Keswick Green. It's a nice nod to the UK, sure, but let's be real. Buying the Trophy Edition in green is like going to a steakhouse and ordering a salad. Don't be that person. Embrace the yellow. And to make sure that legendary paint survives your own adventures, they'll even wrap it in a matte protective film. But this thing is more than just a throwback color. Land Rover went full-on contrast mode, hitting the hood, the lower body, the brake calipers, and even the rear recovery hooks with a slick gloss black finish. It looks mean. It's a modern twist on a classic vibe. You get these massive 20-inch gloss black wheels wrapped in chunky all-terrain tires that just scream, "Please take me off the pavement." And this isn't just for show. This rig is built to get lost and find its way back. It comes factory equipped with the Expedition roof rack, a deployable ladder to access your gear, and that awesome looking side-mounted gear carrier. They even slapped on classic mud flaps and, most importantly, a raised air intake. Yep, a proper snorkel. So you can go wading through water without your engine taking an expensive drink. Hop inside and the vibe continues. You're greeted by illuminated trophy sill plates before you settle into the rich ebony Windsor leather seats. And my favorite detail? The big crosscar beam inside is painted to match the exterior color, with laser-etched trophy logos on the end caps. It's rugged and refined all at once. Now for the part you're all waiting for, pricing and when you can get your hands on one. Land Rover is being a total tease and hasn't dropped those details yet, but you can bet it's going to be a hot ticket item for collectors and adventurers alike. This Defender isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's an invitation to stop dreaming about adventure and actually go live it. It's about building on a legendary past to create your own epic story. And that's the same energy we have here at Shift 100. We're all about celebrating the icons, discovering the future, and sharing the journey with all of you. We're not just a channel, we're a convoy. So if you're ready to join the expedition, to shift your perspective on car culture, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and fire up the notification bell. You've been cleared for takeoff. Welcome to the crew.